Does your bra feel like it's strangling you, or like it's the strap's mission to stay off your shoulders? We have all the solutions to your most common bra problems. Straps that refuse to stay up. First, check that they're tight enough. You should be able to slide one finger under them and lift them slightly. Some people also have shoulders that slope downwards. If that's you, look for bras with wider straps or a crossback style instead. If the band is riding up in the back, you can try a few things. First, loosen the straps to see if that works. If not, you can increase your band size. But remember, if you do this, you'll need to go down a cup size to make sure your bra still fits correctly. So if you're wearing a 34B, you should switch to a 36A. The band should fit snugly around you without going up or down in any spots. If it's too loose, you won't get enough support, and if it's too tight, it's just plain uncomfortable. So either loosen or tighten the hook or change your band size. The dreaded back boobs are easy to fix. Either loosen your band or find a bra with a wider band in the back that won't make your skin bulge under or around it. Your breasts should fit into the cups and fill them. If you see a big gap, first try tightening the band and the straps. If that doesn't work, then go down a cup size. If you see a bulge above your bra when you look at yourself from the side, that means the cups are too small. So do the opposite. Loosen the strap slightly or go up a cup size. You can also look for bras with wider cups that will fit better. Struggling with a lot of these? Find your correct bra size with this video for a bra that fits so well you'll forget to take it off. Don't forget to subscribe to Glamorous for more videos like this and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss a new video. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.